So I continued, and Madhvi was very kind to take the second book on, and here it is in front of you. The book is a very different book from my previous book. The book is Chicklet, pure Chicklet. The first one was Momlet, I think. It wasn't Chicklet. People called it Chicklet. But the first story was about a mom. This is about a girl who's 30, nearing her 30, and pressured about getting married and stressed out with all sorts of things, including a terrible boss from hell. And she also has a crush, a very terrifying crush on someone from her office. I think we all have crushes, and we're all very embarrassed about admitting them most of the times, and you only tell up to your friends about it. And with the advent of social media, we're always cyber-stalking somebody or the other we have a desperate crush on. So Raina has a crush too. She has a crush on someone in the office, and what happens to her, does she settle down with the good boy that her parents choose for her, or does she chase her crush? Does her crush notice her? That's what the book is all about. But before I sign off, I'd just like to say my thank yous. Excuse me, this is my Oscar moment. I may not get it again. I want to thank Priska for being such a wonderful support. She's my lucky charm. She and Parul have been at my earlier book launch, and they've been lucky for me. And that's why I want them with me for all my future launches as well. You're hooked. And I want to thank Madhvi for recognizing that something in this book could be worked out into a proper manuscript. It was in a crazy mess when it reached her, and she handheld me through it, and she didn't lose faith. I want to thank my sister-in-laws who have come all the way from Pune to cheer me on. There they are. And my husband, of course, for being standing right at the back as he always does, never wanting to come in front, but being the silent wall of support. My mother, of course, because without her, I would have never read anything in my life. And where is the brat? For all those who wanted to see the brat, please show yourself, Krish. For letting me. This book was hugely successful, and it went on to be a bestseller. And how long has it been between the first one and the second one? 2 years. So did you feel a sense of pressure in terms of, how you needed to perform, what is it that you're going to write about, how is the narrative going to change, what the protagonists are going to be like in the second one? Was there any sort of pressure? I think the only pressure was the one that I felt that, is it going to sell? Is somebody going to pick it up? Is it going to get published? That's the only pressure. But apart from that, once I had Madhvi on the manuscript, I was pretty clear. And I was very clear, Parul, that I was not going to write a book with a similar protagonist, because with the first protagonist, everyone was, this is you.